This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, last class topic is we are discussing JDBC application with the try-catch try with resources concept, guys. Guys, what is the advantage of try with resources concept?
It
Hmm?
has a auto closable method, sir.
Yeah, it will auto close capability, right? Auto close, guys. Try with resources means JDBC application with try with resources concept, guys. JDBC application try with resources concept, right? Try with resources, guys. JDBC application try with resources means once if you declare the resource using try block, guys. So if you take the try block, in a try block you can take the parenthesis here. In the parenthesis you can take the connection object here. Connection and connection equals something like this. Once if we declare the resource using try block, assume like connection means we have to close, right? Generally connection means we have to close, that is called resource. Once if we declare the connection resource using try block, once the try block is completed, the resource automatically closed, guys. Okay, the resource is automatically closed. So we no need to close internally. So we no need to close out, or we no need to close, right? Exactly, guys. That's the advantage of what a try resource, right? Because when we declare the resource using try block, because when we declare the resource using try block, because once we declare the resource using try block, once the try block is completed, once the try block is once the try block is completed, tell me guys, once the try block is completed, resource automatically automatically release, right? Yeah, automatically release it, guys. Sir, how it is releasing automatically means, so it is happens internally with the help of one interface like auto closable interface, guys. Okay, so with the help it will close automatically, and it will close automatically with the help of one interface, guys. Which interface called auto closable interface. Yeah, which interface, guys? Here auto closable interface. Basically the connection resource which is closing automatically means it will close automatically with the help of what auto closable interface. It means the connection interface internally implementing the auto closable interface, guys. The connection interface internally implementing which interface? Auto closable interface, right? Sir, show me that point. To check the predefined support, guys, simply can check the java p command, java p java dot sql dot java dot sql dot connection. We can see the java dot sql dot what connection, right? If you use the java dot sql dot connection, java p java dot sql dot connection, it is all the information about your connection, guys. But see the connection declaration part once. Definitely it is implementing from auto closable interface, guys. See this code once, just to come up. Yeah. See this interface, guys, here. So interface and connection is there which extending the wrapper and extending like auto closable interface or not. Yes, connection is internally implementing auto closure interface, right? That's what it is a close automatically. Even statement also, guys, because statement also we are closing, right? Even you can see the statement object also even. So Java p Java dot util dot Java dot util dot what statement object. Even statement object also implementing auto closure interface, guys. See this code once. Here all the predefined methods, guys. See this one statement object. Statement object extending which one, guys? Auto closable, right? It says that like statement is implementing auto closable and tell me, guys, statement is implementing auto closable and yeah, this is like in statement object implementing auto closable. And what the next one, guys? Yeah, connection also, right? Connection also implementing auto closable. It says that okay, these are internally closed automatically means with help of which concept, guys? Yeah, auto closable interface, right? Auto closable is interface which belongs to which package, guys? Yeah, there's auto closable is belongs to which package? Java.lang package, right? Yes, if you want, you can see the Java P Java.lang.auto closable. This auto closable contains a close method, guys. This close method internally executed, it will close the resource, right? Guys, we got the clarity, right? Exactly. And this auto closable interface, guys, introduced in which version is Java 7th version. Guys, when we declare the resource using try block, guys, once the try block is completed, resource automatically released. How it is released automatically means it will close automatically with the help of which interface, guys, auto closable interface. It means connection object to statement object internal implementing which interface, guys. Statement object, connection object, internal implementing which interface, auto closable, right? That auto closable interface contains which method, guys? Here, close method, right? Okay, that auto closable interface contains which method? Close method, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, and this auto closable interface which introduced which version means Java 7th version. So introduced in Java 7th version, right? So finally we got the clarity. Okay, once if we declare the resource using try block, once the try block is completed, resource automatically released. How it is releasing automatically means because of which concept, guys? Because of what? Auto closable interface, right? Auto closable interface belongs to which package, guys? Java.lang package, and it is introduced in which version? Java 7th version, right? Java 7th version, guys. Guys, are you clear now? Good. Now let me write one example. So last class, yeah, last class you can take the JDBC apps, src com.tcs, JDBC example one. Yes, example one we are doing with the throws keyword. We decided throws is not recommended. Why? The reason is I shown practically. And second example, try catch finally. Definitely try catch finally is recommended, guys. And today class will go with the try the resources concept, guys. Okay. So to write the try with resources, go to the file menu, click on new. I want the class. So class, I need the JDBC example. Tell me, guys. JDBC example 3. Yeah, JDBC example 3. Click on main method. Click on finish button. So I want to take the try with resources concept, guys. To take the try with resources concept, take the try block. Yeah, take the try block parenthesis, guys. Yes, take the try block parenthesis you can take. So try block you can take the connection resources, guys. What are resource you? Connection. Yes, connection equal to, because yeah, what are the resources generally that the things which we are closing, right? Which we are closing. So generally connection is a resource, guys. If we take the connection, yeah, connection equal to connection equal to what? So driver manager dot driver manager dot what? Yes, you observe the syntax, right? Where I declare the connection inside the try parenthesis. It means this is called try parenthesis. Means this is called try with resource. Okay, try with resource, right? Get correction, guys. It expecting how many arguments here? JDBC colon, Oracle colon, thin colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 colon x is a logical name, right? Yeah, x is a logical name. So what the username here? Username is a system and password will be the Ratan, right? Exactly. The first resource, guys. Put the semicolon because I want to take one more resource. Which resource you want to take a statement object? Statement equal to connection dot what? Create statement, right? Guys, connection dot what? Create a statement, right? Yeah, statement object is ready. Guys, I think it throws SQL exception, right? That's what you can take the catch block. Which exception you have to handle here? SQL exception. So to know the complete stack information, where exactly exception lies, print stack, right? That's all, guys. We done the code. I declared the two resources using try block. What are resource here? One is a connection resource, one is a statement resource, right? I declared two resources using try block, guys. Then what happened here? Once the try block is completed, this resource are automatically released, right? Guys, once the try block is completed, this resource are automatically released. Yes, last examples. First example, we done the creation of table, just creating table successfully. Second example, we done the insertion process, updation process, deletion process. Okay, we done these all examples, right? Exactly. Yes, today class, we'll read the data from the database, guys. We'll read the data from what? Database. So see this code here, SQL plus, yeah, guys, to execute the query, statement object is providing how many methods I said? While discussing first application, to execute the query, total statement object is providing 3 methods, right? What are 3 methods, guys? What are the 3 methods?
Execute update.
Execute update, execute query, and execute method, right? Yeah, this is like username system, password is Ratan. Guys, here I think select just okay. I want to create the table. I think yesterday we dropped the table, right? Select
No.
star from EMP. EMP table is available, not available, guys? EMP
Not.
table does not exist. I think EMP1 can exist. No, EMP2. Very good. Guys, what we have to do? Let me create a table now. So create table. Table name is called EMP. So which is like employee ID number. Employee name is like something like varchar2. Varchar2 of some 30 characters allowed. Employee salary is also which type, guys? Here number type, right? Let me insert some records, guys. So insert into EMP values. Yesterday we dropped the table, right? Employee ID and employee name. Employee ID, employee name. The last one is what? Employee salary is like 10,000.45. So the first record, guys. Like that second record here. So we can write the triple two. We can make like one then we can make like this is like 20,000, right? Exactly. So we can make the records like triple three. Then you can make the third record like Siva. Yeah, Siva. Then you can make 30,000, right? That's all. Guys, how many records are inside order here? 3 records. Okay, select to star from EMP, right? Total 3 records are there. Triple one, triple two, triple three, right? Exactly. Because here my requirement is I want to read the records. To read the records, statement data. Which query you want to execute now? Update query or select query? Guys, which query you want to execute now?
Read from
Update query,
database means select.
select query, right? Select query means what? Which method you have to use? Execute update method, execute query method. Execute query method, right? Execute query method, then select star from what? EMP, right? Exactly, guys. I clearly said execute query will execute the select star from EMP and it returns the group of records, right? Guys, it returns the group of records or not? It returns the group of records, right? How it will store the group of records, guys?
Int.
Group of records is
Result.
held by
Result set.
exactly, guys. So select execute query method will execute the select star from EMP and it returns the group of records, guys. Those all the records are holding using which object means result set object, right? Exactly. I clearly said that okay, execute query method written type is result set object, right? Result set is set, guys. That's it. Guys, see now your data is present with which object? Result set object, right? Guys, when we execute the select query, guys, when you execute the select star from EMP, this query, guys, when we execute the select star from EMP, the records will be stored in, when we execute select star from EMP, the records will be stored in which object, guys? Records will be stored in which object here? Result set object, right? Exactly. The records will be stored in result set object, guys. Okay, good. Result set object is stored. Guys, when we create the result set object, when we create the which object, guys? Result set object. The result set cursor, the cursor result set cursor, guys. Cursor means pointer. The result set cursor is pointing to before first record. Guys, the result set cursor is pointing to what? Before first record, right? Guys, when you create the result set object, the result set cursor is pointing to before first record. It means, see guys, we are selecting the employee details like 111 return 10,000.45, triple two something like one something, so 20,000.45, so triple three Siva some 30,000.45, right? Because in this case, what happened, in this case, what happened, when you create the result set cursor, guys, the result set cursor is pointing. See, these all the records are stored in result set object. These all the records are stored in result set object, but the result set cursor is pointing to before first record. Here the cursor is pointing. Set cursor is pointing here. Yes, then you want to read the one by one record, right? Guys, you want to read the one by one record or not? To read one by one record, what we have to do? We have to move the cursor to record by record, right? Guys, we have to move the cursor record by record or not? Then tell me, guys, to move the cursor record by record, we are using next method. Next we have to use. Guys, tell me to move the cursor. Guys, when you create the result object, the cursor is pointing before first record, right? So to move the cursor, tell me, guys, to move the cursor, record by record. To move the cursor record by record, use which object, guys? Use which method means
Next.
next method we have to use. Guys, you tell me, to move the cursor record by record, we have to use next method. But here we have to move one record or multiple records.
Multiple.
Guys, we have to move like one record or multiple records. Next, we have to move like multiple times, right? So you want to
Yes.
read the records multiple times, then can I take the while loop now? Yes, take the while loop now. While set data, guys, while loop I'm using. While set data, which method we have to use to move the cursor? Guys, tell me why I'm taking the while loop means I want to move all the records one by one, right? Set dot next method I can use. Okay, guys, result set cursor initially pointing to before first record. Now set dot next method means it is pointing to before first record. Now first record. Next method means the cursor is pointing to first record, right? Guys, please respond. Now cursor is pointing to first record or not?
Yes.
Exactly. Now the cursor is pointing to first record, guys. Then you can read the data. To read the data here, this is our control space. Set data. Set dot what? Set dot what? What the first column, guys? Set dot get integer, right? Get integer. It is asking column index, guys. To give the column index is how much you? I can give the column index is 1 because first column, right? Exactly. Space plus set dot what? Next one is a get. Tell me, guys. Next one is what? Get to float. Second column is what?
Name.
Second column is
String.
name, right? Get string, guys.
String.
Get string of second column. Okay. And the next one is a space plus set dot. Next one is what? Get. Tell me, guys.
Float.
Get. Yeah. Get
Yes.
into get string. Get float. Very good. Get float of third column, right? That's all, guys. Guys, now you got the clarity, right? So
Sir,
when you select, yeah, tell me.
here we are not trying to load the Oracle driver using
Yeah,
class or
exactly.
something.
Because from Java 7th version, definitely JDBC 4.0 version onwards, loading the driver is also optional. That's what without loading the driver also the code is compiled. The code is compiled and executed fine, no problem. When you make the URL pattern, the corresponding driver is automatically loaded. It doesn't means like loading is optional means don't think like driver is not loaded. Definitely driver is loaded. The driver is automatically loaded based on this URL pattern. When this URL is occurred, when this URL pattern comes, with that URL pattern, corresponding driver will be loaded automatically. Guys, are you clear now? So with this conclusion, we understood that driver loading is optional, mandatory, guys. Driver loading is optional, right? Yeah, exactly, guys.
Sir,
If you
get
run
int
this
of one means what is the meaning of this one, sir? Get int of one.
get int of one, see, now your result set object is holding this data, right? This complete data, right? Then you want to read the first record, right? Then
Yes, sir.
initially where is the cursor? Cursor is pointing to before first record. That's what I'm moving this cursor to the first record using next method. While set that next method means what happened now? Now cursor is pointing to first record, right? Guys, now
Yes,
cursor
sir.
is pointing to first record or not? Now cursor is pointing to first record means I want to read this record. To read this record, what is the first value? Integer value, right? That's what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going for the get int. Get int of one means first column. What is second one here? String, right? Get string of second column. Third one is what? Float value, right? Get float of third column. Like the
Double
three
no,
values.
sir.
Yeah, it may be float or double, it's not a problem, right? Both are same, right? If you only can use double, it's not a problem, okay? Good. This if
Sir, why
you
sir, we have to mention F, right?
अरे यार see database decimal data is there. In the database you have the decimal data. The decimal data in the Java level we can read either float format or double format. It's not a problem, okay? So it doesn't mean like it's not, that is not 10,000.4 is not a Java code, right? It's like database value. Database value is coming like 10,000.45. Okay. Either you can go for the get float or we otherwise see. Because if we run this code, we got the output, no problem at all. Okay. We got the output, no problem at all. So how many records will get, guys? Total here 3 records we will get. And you can observe that loading driver is optional. Loading driver is optional. We got the output, right? Yeah, 10,000.45. Even here, if you use the double also no problem. Okay. Don't think too much about this point. Okay, 10,000 point for 4 phase data which is in the database. That value we can get it. You can get it using get for double format or float format. It's not a problem. If the loop is repeated for every cursor, then it is printing all the values, right?
Sir, shall we try without next, sir?
अरे यार, without next, how we'll get the data? Without next, where is the cursor?
Before first method.
Before first record, do you have any data?
No, sir.
No. Confirmation message you can write. Operations are completed, something like this. Operations are completed, something like this. If you run this code, the cursor is point before first record. Before first record, do you have any data? There is no data, right? The result said that next was not called. It's saying like clearly message. But the message is saying is result set dot next was not called. Because you're trying to get the data. When you're trying to get the data, use the next method, it's saying clearly. Clear, right? Yeah, that's what you can use the while loop. Why while loop is that you have to move the record by record. That's what next means the cursor is moving one by one. Guys, see, without using while loop, if you use the only next method, then what happened? Tell me now. Yes, now what is output? Now tell me. Without using while loop, I'm using next method. Then what happened?
Only first record you will get, sir. Only first
Huh?
record. Only first
I hope
record.
yeah, I hope now you got the clarity, right? Without using while loop, if you use set that next method means you get only first record. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah, set that next method means you're getting only now cursor is pointed to only first record, guys. That's what I'm doing like while loop, right? While loop means what happened, guys? Yeah, it's reading the complete record, right? Is reading the complete records. Guys, here we have to observe like loading the driver is mandatory, optional here. This example, we have to check the conclusions here. The first conclusion is what? Loading the driver is optional, mandatory. Loading the driver is optional, guys. Number 2, the resources we no need to close, it automatically close, right? The resources are no need to close. These are closed. Can we get these are what? Closed automatically, right? These are closed automatically, guys. Number 3. What is number 3, guys? What is number 3 here? Yeah, reading all columns, guys. Reading all columns. Guys, to read all the columns, can I use like while loop this like this, right? Yeah. Now this is like reading all the columns, guys. No, sir, I won't read only first and second column. Guys, then what we have to do? Guys, one more thing here. Reading all columns only. If you want, you can give the column numbers, guys. That is one thing here. Otherwise, you can give the column names also. It will work fine, no problem. So get into of what you can give the column name here. Employee ID. Here also you can give the column name like employee name. The last one is what? Column employee salary, right? Exactly. It says that either we can give the column names, otherwise you can give the column numbers also, right? If you run the code, we got the output or not? Guys, yes or no? We got the output, right? It means while reading the data, either we can give the column names or you can give the column numbers, right? Yes or no? That's like reading all the columns, guys. Reading all the columns using column names, right? What about this one, guys? Reading all the columns using column index, right? Guys, using column index. Guys, first point you have to observe loading the driver is optional. Second one, the resources no need to close. These are closed automatically. And the third one is reading all the columns using the column index, guys. Reading all the columns using the column names. Sir, I don't want all the columns. You need specific columns, guys. Guys, you want which columns? Tell me. You want to read which columns now? Guys, please respond. You want to read which columns?
Only ename.
Only ename if you want. Guys, if you need only ename, just you can remove this data. Just you can remove this data. That's all. Only ename you will get, right? That's all, guys. If you run this code, getting the specific columns, guys, that is up to you. So we get the Ratan Vandana Seva, right? Exactly, guys. It's like there's a fifth one is what, guys? So getting what? A specific column, right? Getting a specific columns, guys. Exactly. Very clear now. Exactly. Is number 6. It's like that, guys. Like that, you only can apply any operations, right? So it depends on you want 2 columns, means just you can specify how many columns you want. Set gets to get int of 1, get int of get string of 2, something like that, right? Get in the specific columns, guys.
Sir, suppose,
I think.
sir, we want to select a specified column like select
Uh,
ename and ESET from EMP. Then what to do, sir? Means in which order we should write get int like
you want, see here you can write the select star from EMP, right? Select star from EMP means all the records are coming, all the records will be stored here, right? And what do you want, tell me?
select particular column like select ename. Select first I will write ECell, then ename. Then how the order will be there, sir? Well, means get int, not
Here we are
EID,
writing
sir.
select.
First
Which one you
select
want, tell
ename,
me?
select
Ename,
ename, comma
comma
EID.
EID, yeah.
ECell, anything will be fine, sir.
Yeah, ename and eSalary, right? Guys, now resource set update is
EID,
contains how many? Uh,
EID, sir. Ename and EID. But the order should be different, sir.
those things you will do in only class, modified classes, guys. In the real time, do you think you will get the data like that? Guys, think in meaningful way. Don't think in a modified classroom like student level way. The students are checking like ename, EID next to what the use of getting the data. Is there any use of getting the data like that? At least you have to select specific order, right? See, even you are saying that is fine, it's not a problem. So EID, but think like the question should be meaningful. The question should be acceptable in the application level. Okay, good, guys. He's asking like ename and EID first. Ename EID means result set object contains what are the values? Tell me. Now result set object contains how many values? Only 2 values, right?
Only
2 values. What are the 2 values, guys? Ename and EID. Then which data you want to get now? Tell me. Tell me, yeah, which data you want to get? You want to get the salary? Yeah? No. Yeah, tell me, yeah, which one you want to get?
Sir, ename, sir.
Ename you want to get? Yeah, get string of ename you can get, right? It's not a problem. Get string of ename means then definitely you get the output is what? Ename data, right? That's it. Because you are getting the data using this is like column name, right? That's why it's no problem. Yes, but I want to get the data using column index. Then which column I have to give now? That is the important point. Guys, getting the column name means get string of ename is not a problem. But I want to get the data now using column name, column index actually. Then what are the column index now we have to give?
2.
You want to get
Get string 2, so
get
One.
string of get string of 1, guys, actually, because your result set object contains how many values? Only 2 values, right? Guys, don't think like column index means which is like table data. Think like previously table data and result set object contains both are same columns, right? Table contains 3 columns, result set also contains 3 columns. Now the table contains 3 columns, but result set contains how many columns, guys?
2
Guys,
columns.
now result set contains 2 columns. Then this get string, get float, this is based on the result set data, na based on the table data, na?
Result set
Based
data.
on the result set data, the data which is coming from the database, right? Based on the result set data. Based on the result set data, employee name is what type of column? First column, right? Guys, you got the clarity now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is information, guys. So don't think like column index based on the table. Think like the column index, the data which is stored in the result set object. Okay. Now the result set object contains only 2 columns, which is like ename and EID, right? Ename and EID. Ename and EID means ename is first column, right? That's what I get in first column, guys. Then simply if you run this code, get string of 1 means what happened, guys? We'll get the employee name. Because if you give the get string get int of 2 means what happened, guys? Guess get int of 2 means what happened now? Which value will get now?
EID.
Yeah, now we got the ID, right? Exactly. This is also a bit important point, guys. So we got the ID values, right? Exactly. Guys, but do one thing, employee name and employee salary better. This is the meaningful. Select employee name and employee salary. Column name should be sequential mostly. E name and E salary from employee table. Now result set object contains how many columns, guys? Now
Two
result set
columns.
object contains only 2 columns. Next in I want to get the first column. First means which one, guys? Yeah.
Employee name.
Employee name is what type of data here? String
Text.
type, right?
String type.
Exactly. Yes, now you got the clarity, right? Yeah, so the operations which is done based on the result set object data, guys, not based on the table data. Guys, are you clear now? What is this one, guys? Here, getting the specific column, right? Specific column, right? Exactly. There's different possibilities, guys. That's it. But this is important. Even get string of one we are giving. Why we are giving one means because here the first column is e name, right? Because result set object contains only e name and e salary, right? As a result set object contains only which columns, e name and e salary, right? Exactly, guys. Because this is the way how to work, how to read the data from the database. Guys, JDBC application, we saw like 3 different flavors. What are 3 different flavors? Tell me. One is using throws keyword, one is using try catch finally,
Try catch.
one is using try with resources. I hope everyone is clear about the 3 flavors, right? Throws keyword, guys. Try catch finally blocks. Try with the resources concept, right? Try with what the resources concept. Once if we declare the resource using try block, once the try block is completed, resource automatically released. Guys, how it is closing automatically means with the help of which interface, guys, here? Auto closable
Auto
interface, right?
closable.
Exactly. So statement object extending like because see the resources definitely it is internally implementing auto closable interface, guys. Statement is showing like auto closable, connection also showing auto closable, right? Auto closable is belongs to java.lang package, guys, which is handle close method. Auto closable is introduced which version, guys? Java 7th version, right? Exactly. The syntax of Java auto closable version. So syntax of try with resources. This is syntax, right? Try you can take the resource, guys. First resource, semicolon, second resource, like multiple resources you can take. When you execute when we execute select to start from EMP, the records will be stored in which object, guys? Result set object. The result set cursor is point before first record. To move the cursor to the next record, to move the cursor record by record, use next method, right? This is example for that. Is that clear now? Loading the driver is optional, guys. The resources closing also optional. Reading all the columns based on the index, reading all the columns based on the names, getting the specific columns. If you want to only get the data, getting the specific columns, guys. This is also getting the specific columns, right? Getting the specific columns. Has any questions, please? Good. Guys, you try to complete one more assignment today.
Mm.
Guys, you uh,
Sir, is auto
uh,
closable called only when we declare the resources within try block?
Whatever the resources you declared using try block, the definitely those resources are implementing auto closable internally.
So
If
auto
the
closable is not
hmm,
called when we declare within finally or other.
no, it won't call. See, for example, auto closable interface you see, yeah, auto closable in Java. If you see the auto closable in Java API documentation, once if we declare the resources, okay, see this auto closable is implementing these main number of interfaces. These main number of implementation classes are there. It means these all are internal implementing auto closable interface. Out of these all, maybe somewhere we have the scanner object, file input stream object. These all are available. Hmm? These all are available, right?
Okay, sir.
Exactly. So these
Thank
all it will close automatically. Hmm? Exactly.
you. So
Yeah,
it is closed only when we call within try block.
yeah. Within the try block, try parenthesis is there, right? The syntax. Try parenthesis we have to define.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Guys, any other questions? Guys, I need this example. You try to complete this assignment and please show me tomorrow. Guys, create one student table. Guys, first take one example itself, code operation, guys. All code operation. create the student table, guys. Create the otherwise product table. Create the product table which contains like just create the otherwise student table. Do one thing, create the student table, guys. Create the student table. Insert three this is a basic example, guys. Insert three student records, guys. Insert three student records. After inserting the records, print the records, guys. Print the records. Insert the records, then print the records. Yes, create the table, insert the records, print the records. After printing the records, update the assume like student table contains the records like student ID, student name, student marks is there, something like that. Update the marks, guys. Update the marks. Insert the 4 student records, guys. 4 records you can insert. Update the marks. Assume some marks you can update, guys. Increment by +2, increment by +2, where marks less than 35. Yes, make sure that two records will be less than 35. You try to update those 2 records. Okay, try to update those 2 records, guys. Update the marks +2 where the marks is greater than 32, 35, something like this. Yes, after updating the records, okay, after updating the records, what we will do, guys, after updating the records, can please print the records again. Yes, after updating again you can print the records. Why? I want to see that records are updated properly or not. Otherwise here can please stop the execution, guys. Stop the execution 20 seconds. Why I'm saying like stop the execution 20 seconds? Stop the execution 20 seconds. Meanwhile, go to the database, check the database updated or not updated. Guys, go to database. Okay, so check database updated or tell me, guys, database updated or not, right? Exactly, guys. Guys, stop the execution 20 after updating. Stop the execution 20 seconds. Why we are stopping means meanwhile go to the database, check the database updated properly or not. Database is updated properly or not, right? Yeah, stop the execution 20 seconds, guys. Good. After that, anyhow, you feel like database updated, no problem. Then simply can drop the table. Drop the table, right? Exactly, guys. That's all. Yes, you create a table. We insert the records, print the records, update the records, stopping execution to check the records are updated or not. To check the records are updated or not, then drop the table, right? Yeah, one example itself, it is doing all operations. You guys are able to do this assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Yes, sir. We will.
Yeah. Guys, this is a bit important assignment. Second assignment, you try. You Google it and you tried whatever the things you can do. I need the assignment answer tomorrow. That's it, guys. Okay. Guys, can please create the product table. Guys, create. So create the product table. Product table. I need the product table, product ID, product name, product cost, product manufacture date, guys. Manufacture what short form, guys? MFG data. Yeah, MFG date, guys. Expire date I want. Product name, product ID, product name, product cost, product manufacture data, product expiry data. What you can say, guys? Next one is a time of creation, guys. Time of the product manufacture, something like this. I need time. That's it. Yes, product ID, name, cost, manufacture data, expiry date, and time also required. Guys, that statement is clear now. Total my table contains how many columns, guys, total? Guys, table contains how many columns? Guys, these are 3 we know already. Product ID, product name, product cost, we know how to insert. Just we have to check like how to take the manufacture date, how to take the expiry date, right? How to take the time. These 3 are important for us. Guys, just to create the product table, just insert the 3 records, guys.
Sir, it is manufactured date or manufactured data?
Date only.
Okay.
Context is clear, right? Context we are saying like manufacture
No,
date only.
actually we have to see whether it should be a string or an integer. That's why I got it.
Okay, fine. Guys, you try to see whether it is showing the string data or what. Any auto select date is there, something like that. I don't know. Okay. but you try to complete the work. That's it. Insert the three records, guys. Insert the three records simply and print the three records. That's it. Print the three records. What are the records we inserted? Just you can print it, guys. That's it. Yes, but I need the columns, like total 6 columns are there: product ID, product name, product cost, manufacture date, expiry date, and time. Manufacture date, expiry date, and time required, right? Exactly. Yes,
The
but
time how
definitely
it put, sir? Time.
that I don't know, man. That's your assignment.
Google search.
Yeah, Google search, man. But do you feel that assignment is difficult or easy? It seems like you're able to do, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Based on
Yes,
the
sir.
previous example, you feel like you are able to do, right? Based on these 3 examples.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you Google it and you try to complete the example. Either, guys, do these examples, both examples using try catch finally blocks. That is up to you, guys. It is not a problem like with a try with resources or try catch finally. That's up to you. You try to complete the work. Guys, any other questions, please? Guys, make the second assignment is high priority. First you complete the second assignment, then you complete the first assignment. Take the second assignment is high priority.
No.
Guys, any questions, please? Yeah. Because if anyone done the assignment, I think you have my mail ID, right? Just you can forward that assignment to my mail ID, so that I'll check that mail ID. Otherwise, once the assignment is completed, you place the assignment here, guys, here itself. Advanced Java 10 a.m. class is there. Java. Yeah, this is here itself. You can make the assignment tab, guys. You can put the assignment here. Guys, are you clear now? Yeah. Guys, that's all for today class. We'll meet in tomorrow class. We will see that assignments, and we know execute update method and execute query method. Tomorrow we will see execute method, guys. Execute method is used for the both updation group and the selection group statements, guys. Tomorrow I'll check that assignments and I will discuss that execute method. Okay.
So.
Guys, any questions? Yeah. Then tomorrow we'll meet, guys. Huh? Bye.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.